Can you speak Korean?
Subscribe!
Welcome, Anthronaut. In our last episode, we met Korea's Hangul alphabet. Now, let's see how to learn Korean language. Calm down. We are only going to learn a few basic Korean words. Perhaps you are thinking to yourself, why do I need to learn Korean at all? Well, besides not looking like a self-absorbed parasite, you can also talk with over 72 million people in both South and North Korea, plus millions in China, Japan, and the United States of America. So obviously, it is in your best interest to put some Korean tourist words into your repertoire. Fortunately, my Korean-speaking friends Minghyun and Ane are here to help you do just that.
Hello. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Goodbye. 잘 가요.
안녕히 가세요.
Yes. 네.
네,
No. 아니요.
아니요.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
And thank you for that wonderful lesson. If you enjoy learning these common Korean words, then please share some kind words in the comments below, and then ring that subscribe button to receive future traveling culture updates. In our next episode, we will taste some delicious Korean food. I'm Mark Thomas for Anthonauts. 감사합니다 and huiawa.